Welcome to Nicole's blog on lifestyle and budgeting. Today I bring you a way on how to save on gas. And the first step to my way of saving gas is that I like to use something called Gas Buddy. And it's an app that you can find on either go into your Google Play and just type in Gas Buddy and you can download it. Or if you go on to the Apple Store app on your phone, you just type that in and you can download it. And you can also find it here on the internet, like what I'm doing now. And what Gas Buddy does is that it will pull up the gas stations in your local area and it will list the pricing of each gas station. And it also looks like they just added something new, which is to save up 25 cents on every fill up, which is awesome, but we'll get to that in just a little bit. But what this does is that it, like, for example, find gas. We will search. We will type in. We'll type in Charlotte, which is a nearby city. Credit only. Cash or credit. There we go. Find gas. All station brands. Give it a minute. Alright, let's go down here and see what we found. It looks like Citgo has a price of $2.15, Admiral $2.16. Myers is $2.18, and normally they are cheaper. But that way I can just kind of, get an idea of what gas pricing is and the cheapest place that I want to go to. But there are some people that are willing to pay a little more because the gas station could have better fuel. For me, I like to go to Marathon because it's close to me and I have a rewards program with them. So this will be the next way that I will recommend on saving money. If you have a favorite gas station, it always pays to sign up for a rewards program. On here, I have a current balance reward of 1,138 points. And currently, I do get 5 cents off a gallon, but let's go to achievements. I have been able to get up to 10 cents off or even 20 cents a gallon off of my pricing of gas. Like if we look at the rewards, it does add up, and you can also get points stacked up if you go in and buy like a pop or any type of food. Like right here, 1,600 points, I can get 10 cents off, and I just recently loaded up and used it. And you also get other discounts on, I think it's like medicine, or if they have offers that will put more points onto your card. I have a physical card, which you can sign up for. And I know that there are other gas stations that have like a rewards program, but you'll just have to look into it. But I like my Make It Count rewards. So that is my video for today on how to save money on gas, because I know that gas prices always fluctuate, going up, going down, and also depending on the state that you are in. But I live here in Michigan and I like to budget. I don't drive a whole lot, but I still like to save money on everything I do, from gas, grocery shopping. So I hope everybody has a great week.